Hello, we're in the amazingly beautiful city of Campeche, Mexico, and right now we're in the neighborhood of the Campeche Country Club. I wanted to introduce you folks to this condo building. This building is about 12 floors high, and what is absolutely stunning are the views out onto the Gulf of Mexico. So as you're looking over here, down below, this is a private beach. Look how beautiful the sands are. You have the pools right down below. You also have a marina for your boats that you can tie off right the front side of your building. Down below is a fantastic poolside restaurant. And within the building, in air condition, is one of the best restaurants of the city. So if you have any questions about this building and what is currently for sale, contact me. I'm Thomas Lloyd. This is Top Mexico Real Estate. We make it happen.